Okay, hi friends. In last videos we finished engineering mechanics, all RS Gourmet and RKGN questions, and one more video we finished this industrial engineering, all RS Gourmet questions, and three tests also we finished on engineering mechanics 1 and industrial engineering 2 tests we finished. This will be helpful for your HPCL hall and all kind of all PSUs and some JE and AE exams. Okay, so now we'll see the first question here. Now first question, a graphical device they are asking. A graphical device used to determine the break even point. So break even point and a graphical device, the keywords, and a point and the profit potential under varying condition, the output and cost is known as, that is the break even chart. So if you see the break even chart, that is a graph actually. So graph, so this is the graphical device, so that's why it is a break even chart. Now break even analysis consists of, it will consist of fixed cost plus variable cost. So break even analysis consists of fixed cost plus variable cost. So that is the C is the correct answer. Break even analysis shows profit. When we will get the profit? When we will sell is a more cost than the cost. So this is the sales revenue is greater than total cost. Okay. Next C. Break even point can be calculated by using the relation. So here actually answer is given. What is the given? Answer is given A, but actual answer is B. Okay, actual answer is B. Now according to this is RS Gourmet. Okay, next, break even point shows what it will show? Break even point, sales revenue is equal to total cost. So this is important question. Sales revenue is equal to total revenue, that is the C. Fifth is C. Next, sixth, break even analysis, total cost consists of. So total cost consists of fixed cost, variable cost plus factory. Sixth one, that is fixed cost plus variable cost only, that much. So break even analysis consists of fixed cost plus variable cost. Break even point represents, so what it will represent? That is B, the time when unit can run without loss and profit. Because without loss and profit, when you can run whenever the cost price is equal to selling price, that is the break even point. So we already studied. Now eighth question, if the cost of the product of a n units, okay, n units is given as a n plus 1000 by 10,000 by n, then value of n should be as follows. For the total cost should be a minimum. So for that should be minimum, what is the total? N means number of demand or products. So how many it will be? That is A, that should be 100. Okay, remember the n plus, whenever question will like this come 10,000 by n, the answer is this first 100. Okay, in the cost structure of a product, the selling price is determined by the factors such as all of these above. These all will be factors for selling price, determine the selling price. So selling price will be determined by sales turnover, how many turnover we are doing, according to that will sales price will mark, and lowest competitive price, variable elements of the cost, buyer's capability to pay. So according to this, all things we will consider for selling price mark, so for deciding selling price. Next, work study is concerned with. So work study is concerned with what it will concern? It is work study is deals with improving the present method and finding the standard time, that is the work study duty. Next, basic tool in work study is, basic tool in work study is what? Important question. This is stopwatch, important. What does symbol 0 simply imply in the work study? So O means what? Operation. O means operation, so it will start with O, operation. So this is the operation, simple. So operation is the correct answer. Next, so this one is what shows, this symbol is rectangle or sometimes they will give square. The symbol shows what? Inspection. So in this one we will do inspection with this, like that you remember. The difference between the time available to do the job and the time required to do the job is known as, that is C, that is flood. Event duration, flood or float. Actually float, that is known as float. The symbol D implies a D means it will start with a delay or temporary storage. So D means a delay. Next V, this is not V, this is the delta symbol. So implies is so delta is, that meaning is there is a storage. So it is the permanent storage. Material handling in automobile industry is done by. So material handling in automobile is done by 17th is overhead cranes. Overhead cranes in the automobile industry. String diagram is used when. String diagram is used when the team of worker is working at a place. So that is the A is the correct answer. A team of workers is working at a place. Okay, important. Next, 19. In a time study, rating factor is equals to. So rating factor is equals to that is standard time by selected time T2 into 100 minus percentage of A's time and allowance T3 by 100. So this one you just remember, T1 by T2 into 100 minus percentage of T3 by 100. So that is our answer, biggest option. Next, work study is most useful. Work study is most useful in which? Where production activities are involved, their work study will use. Micromotion study is subdivision of operation into triplings and their analysis. Okay, that is the micromotion study. Micro means small, small means triplings and subdivision. Subdivision we have to do small, 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 small. So that is micromotion. You remember like that. In micromotion study, trebling is described by. So treblings is described by, see, that is standard symbol and color. That is described by standard symbol and color. The allowance time for a job equals standard time plus that is policy allowances. Standard time is equal to standard time plus policy allowances, that is the allowance time, allowed time. Micromotion study involves the following number of fundamental hand motions. So micromotion study involves the following number of fundamental hand motions. So how many hand motions? That is 16 hand motions in micromotion study. Next, the standard time for a job is a D, that is total time work content plus a delay contingency allowances. So there will be some delay, electrical loss or power loss or something, or maybe he is not feeling well or whatever, he will be taking some break, whatever, these all will comes under the some delay contingency allowance. Okay. Next, if T1, T2, T3 up to one Tn be the predetermined motion times of a standard elements, and T1, T2, T3 and Tn be the actual or selected times for these elements, then rating factor in percentage is equal to. So rating factor in percentage is equals to, important, this is our answer, 1 by n into small t1 by capital T1 plus small t2 by capital T2 up to one tn by capital Tn into 100. So this one you remember. Okay. Next, 27. Next, 27. Work study is done with the help of. Okay. Work study is done with the help of. So with the help of what we'll do? With the help of what we'll do work study? That is already we studied stopwatch. Okay. Scheduling gives information about. So scheduling gives information about what? When work should start and how much work should be completed during a certain period. That will tell you the scheduling. So when should it have to start and how much it will be finished at that period, at some period. That is scheduling will give. Next, 29. Expediting function consists in keeping a watch on. Keeping a watch on, that is the B, flow of material in case of trouble, locate source of trouble. Okay, this is the expanding function. Choose the wrong statement. Time study is used to. So time study is used to, that is A, determining overhead expenses. So this is not the correct statement. The remaining all are related to time study. So this is not related to time study. That is because here asking wrong statement. Okay. Job evaluation is the method of determining. Job evaluation is the method of determining relative worth of jobs. So that is the relative worth of jobs, that is the job evaluation. Next, micromotion study is, so micromotion study is analysis of the man work method by using a motion picture camera with a time device in a field of view. So micro motion means you have to see small things, so you need a motion picture camera unit. So like that you remember. Percent ideal time for man or missions is found by, so percent ideal time for man or missions is found by 33, that is a work sampling. Okay, work sampling, so that is the percentage ideal time, that is work sampling. With the help of work sampling we will calculate work ideal time. TMU is method time measurement standard for, so it is the method time standard for time measuring unit. This is the time measuring unit. Time study is, so 35 is a, so 35 is a, that is what, the appraisal in the terms of time and of the value work involving human effort. Next, 36, work sampling observations are taken on the basis of, it will be taken on the basis of table of random numbers. So this is the sampling observations are taken on the basis of table of random numbers. So remember options. Next, 37, this is the question. So answer is what? So 37 is a, so 37 is a, 4p into 100 minus p by a square. Okay, so you remember, so p percentage is equals to, he is asking. Okay, next, one time measurement unit in the method time measurement system equals, so TMU in the method time measurement system equals how much it is, equals to, he is asking. So 38 is how much, b, that is 0.0006 minutes. Okay, 0006 minutes means, so t means you remember 10,000, so 6 by 10,000, that is 6, and otherwise t means 1000 you remember, m means minute, so 60 by minute, so 60 by means 6 by 10,000, that is equal to this much. So you remember like this. So anyway you remember this answer. Basic motion time study gives a time for a basic motions in 10,000s of, that is b, 10,000s of minute. Already I told you 10,000s, because 4 after 0.4 digits is there, so that's why this is 10,000. So after minute is there, so that's why it is minutes. Choose the wrong statement. Motion study is used for, that is E, reducing inventory cost. Next, okay, 41, Gantt chart provides information about the, so Gantt chart provides information about what it will provide, production schedule. So 41 is C, it will provide information about a production schedule. ABC analysis deals with, what it will deal, deals with inventory. 42 D, controlling inventory costs money, so that is equal to D, controlling. So schedule ABC analysis deals with this inventory. Process layout is employed for, so process layout is employed for batch production. So batch production process. For a product layout, the material handling, okay, for a product layout the material handling equipment must, so it must, what it must be designed as a special purpose or a particular application. Because for a product means we will manufacture for particular product. So like Sardar Vallabhbhai statue, for that special purpose machines will be required. Okay, and special purpose material handling also required for particular one type of product. Okay, travel charts provides, so travel charts provides, that is the B, the compact estimate the handling which must be done between various work station. Next, product layout is employed for 46 be continuous production. This is continuous production. Product layout is employed for continuous production. Next, 47 the most important objective behind plant layout is. So what is the most important objective behind the plant layout? 47 is A, overall simplification, safety of integration. So that is the most important objective. Okay, now the process layout is best suited where. So process layout is best suited where a few number of non-standard units are to be produced. Okay, are to be produced. So their process layout is best suited. Few number of non-standard units are suited. Low unit cost can be obtained by following. So low unit cost can be obtained by following the product layout. So product layout means for particular product we will manufacture, low cost can be obtained by product layout. Military organization is known as. So military organization already we discussed yesterday. That is the what is organization? Line organization. Okay. Next 51. The main disadvantage of the line organization is. So main disadvantage of the line organization is, that is D. These all are the main disadvantage of the line. Top level executive have to do excessive work. Structure is rigid. Communication delay occurs. Okay. These all are the disadvantages. The main advantage of line organization is effective command and control, defined responsibility of all levels, rigid discipline in this one. So these all of these above are the correct. So 52 is E. 53. Okay, Frederick W. Tyler introduced a system of working known as. So it is known as a 53 what C, functional organization. Next, the silent feature of functional organization is. So functional organization silent feature is this, what all of these above. Next, most popular type of organization used for civil engineering construction is. So that is what? Yeah, line organization. That is line organization. That is the civil engineering construction. Templates are used for. Templates are used for what? 56. Yeah, a planning layout. So planning layout means, template means like a poster, in that it will be every planning will be there. Next, in a steel plant the most important system for material handling is. So in steel plant most important factor for material handling is 57 is D, that is locos. Next, routing prescribes the flow of material in the plant. So flow of material from here to there, there to there, there to there, it will be the routing will decide in which route you have to follow. Queuing theory deals with the problem of. So it will deals with the problem of reducing the waiting time or ideal time. So that is the correct statement. 60. Standard time is defined as. So standard time is equal to normal time plus allowances. Father of industrial engineering is F.W. Tyler. The grouping of activities into organizational units is called, that is departmentation. Which of the following organization is preferred in automobile industry? Line and staff organization. Which of the following organization is best suited for steel industry? So line, staff and functional organization is used for steel industry. Remember, the waste of material in the store is taken into account by the following method in the evaluation of the material issued from the store. So that is 65 is A, that is inflated system. Inflated means it is the wastage of material in the store taken into account. So that one also if you take into account, that is a inflated system. Which of the following is independent of sales forecast? So which of the following is independent of sales forecast? 66 is A, that is productivity. Okay, productivity is independent of sales forecast. Gantt charts are used for. Gantt charts are used for production schedule. Production schedule, that is the 67 B. Next, 68. Inventory management consists of 68 is D. All of this above. That is this. So that is effective running of stores. That is the inventory objective, and state of the merchandise, method of storing and maintenance, and stock control system. These all will be the correct. So D. Gantt charts provide the information about. So many times is asking, but this will be very important. That is what I tell me, production schedule. 69 is B. Next 70. Inventory control in production planning and control. Okay. Inventory control in production planning and control, aim set. So it will be aim set C. That is the acceptance customer service at low capital investment in the inventory system. So this is the C is the correct statement. Okay, so that is the inventory control, production planning and control, aim set. Next 71. In inventory control, the economic order quantity is the optimum lot size. So EOQ is equal to optimum lot size. Okay. Next, statistical quality control techniques are based on the theory of. So those are the based on the theory of. 72 is C. Statistical, that is probability. 72 is C. 73. The appellate authority for an industrial dispute is. So who is the industrial dispute is? 73 is C. High Court or Supreme Court is the appellate authority. Okay. Under the Apprenticeship Act, so 74 is D. Only industries employed more than 500 workers have to recruit the apprentice. So those type of industries only can recruit the apprentice. Standing orders which are statutory are applicable to. So which are applicable to? 75 is E. That is all industries employing more than 100 workers. Those stats are applicable to. That standing orders means some industrial policy orders that will be applied to that. Next, acceptance sampling is widely used in. Acceptance sampling is widely used in 76 is C, in mass production. In mass production, what we'll do? Suppose we are manufacturing a 1 lakh products. In 1 lakh products, we take 10 products. Okay, and 10 products we will see this check we will do, means this quality check we will do. If this 10 is okay, then this 1 lakh products we will approve for the next approve for the checking, means it will be okay. No need to check all the items. That will do in the mass production. Okay. The technique of value analysis can be applied to. So the technique of value analysis is applied to. 77 is E, any item. Next, the term value in value engineering refers to. The term value in value engineering refers to, that is 78 is C, utility of the product. Utility of the product. Next, 79. Value engineering aims at finding out the. So it will be aims at finding out of the. 79 is C, major function of the item and accomplishing the sales at the least cost without change in quality. So without change in quality, that is the important statement. Next, in the perpetual inventory control, the material is checked when it reaches its 80 is A, that is the minimum value. So when it reaches at minimum value, we will check the inventory control. Next, according to MAPI formula, old machine should be replaced by a new one when. So 81 is A. C, CAM is less than DAM. So CAM is less than DAM, then so we'll replace a new machines in place of old machine. Merit rating is the method of determining worth of A. So that is the worth of A. Whom we do? So 82 is B, an individual employee. So how much merit means how he is doing performance. Material handling and production plant location. Material handling and plant location is analyzed by. So that is 83 is D. 83 is D, that is mission. 83 is, that is travel chart. So material handling and planned location is analyzed by travel chart. So material handling means that is travel chart. Next, work cost implies that is 84 is D. 84 is D. Primary cost plus factory expenses. Motion study involves the analysis of 85 actions of operator. Motion study involves the analysis of actions of operator. Standard time as compared to normal time is, so standard time as compared to normal time is equals greater. So standard time is greater than normal time, because standard time is equal to normal time plus allowances. That's why. Pick up the incorrect statement about the advantage of the work sampling. So work sampling advantage they are asking 87, that is EA, that is the, so here incorrect statement permits the fine breakdown of activities and delays. That is actually not permitted in work sampling, but here incorrect statement asking, that's why this is correct. 88. In which of the following layout the lines need to the balanced? So in which of the following this one is need to the balance? 88 is B, that is product layout. Which of the following layout is suited for mass production? So 89 is B, that is product layout. So mass production. Okay. So product means particular product you are manufacturing, that will manufacture in a mass production. Particular product means what? There is a, suppose you are manufacturing a one soap, that soap is a product, our product. So we will manufacture soap is not in 100 and 1000, it will manufacture in a mass production, it is in the lakhs and 2 lakhs like that. Which of the following layout is suited to job production? So which of the following is suited for the job production? That is 90 is A, that is the process layout. Job production means particular job, like some kind of statue or something you want to manufacture, particular one type of different shape and different size, this type of things only process layout will do. So with this only 90 questions will finish, and remaining 2 parts will finish 90. So total 270 questions will finish in the 3 parts. So please subscribe my channel. I am doing this all things for you with free of cost, and you are not doing any subscription for my channel. Okay, so please do for subscription. I will upload this test series also for HPCL Hall and all these exams. It will be helpful for you, and I will upload all IES GATE 1 mark questions also, that will also helpful for you, and that much is enough for getting any mechanical